Hey everyone, if you're watching this, you or someone you love is probably dealing with knee pain, and let me tell you, it's way more common than you think. Whether it's from an old sports injury, arthritis, or just everyday wear and tear, that throbbing, aching pain can really put a damper on your life. But before you reach for the painkillers, did you know that certain foods can actually help fight inflammation and naturally relieve your pain? It's true. And in this video, I'm going to break down the top 10 foods you should be eating for healthier, happier knees. First up, we've got turmeric, a bright yellow spice that's been used in Indian cooking and traditional medicine for centuries. But turmeric is more than just a spice. It's a bit of a superhero when it comes to fighting inflammation. The secret weapon in turmeric is a compound called curcumin, which has some pretty powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have actually shown that taking around 500 milligrams of curcumin daily can be as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers in treating osteoarthritis of the knee. So, how do you get more turmeric in your diet? Well, you can add it to curries, smoothies, or even just sprinkle it on roasted veggies for a flavor and health boost. Next, let's talk about oily fish. I'm talking about salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, all those delicious fatty fish that are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Now, you've probably heard me talk about omega-3s before, and for good reason. They're essential for heart health, brain health, and you guessed it, joint health. Omega-3s have potent anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Aim for at least 2 servings of oily fish per week to reap the benefits. Can't stomach fish? No worries. Nuts and seeds are also excellent sources of those inflammation-fighting omega-3s. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all great options. You can sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, or just grab a handful for a quick and healthy snack. Not only are they good for your joints, but they're also packed with fiber, protein, and other essential nutrients. Who doesn't love berries? They're sweet, delicious, and packed with antioxidants. But did you know they're also great for your joints? Berries contain compounds called polyphenolic flavonoids, which have both anti-inflammatory and analgesic, that's pain-relieving effects. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, they're all fantastic choices. So go ahead and indulge in a bowl of berries for dessert. Your knees will thank you. We all know leafy greens are good for us, but they're especially beneficial for joint health. Spinach, kale, collard greens, they're all packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support strong bones and joints. For example, they're a good source of calcium, which is crucial for bone density, and vitamin C, which is involved in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that's essential for healthy cartilage, the cushioning between your joints. Ginger is another ingredient that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It contains compounds called gingerols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that ginger can be effective in reducing pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. You can add ginger to stir-fries, soups, or smoothies, or try drinking ginger tea. Garlic is well known for its immune-boosting properties, but did you know it can also help with joint pain? This pungent bulb contains a compound called diallyl disulfide, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that garlic may even help slow the progression of osteoarthritis. So why not add garlic to your cooking, or consider taking a garlic supplement after talking to your doctor? Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, which is linked to numerous health benefits, including a lower risk of heart disease and certain cancers. But olive oil is also great for your joints. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has been shown to have similar effects to ibuprofen, a common over-the-counter pain reliever. Use extra virgin olive oil for cooking and salad dressings. Hot peppers get their heat from a compound called capsaicin. While it might seem counterintuitive, capsaicin can actually help relieve pain. It works by reducing the number of pain signals that are sent to your brain. You can add chili peppers to your food, or try using a capsaicin cream on sore joints. Last but not least, we have cruciferous vegetables. This includes broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These veggies contain a compound called sulforaphane, which is believed to help slow cartilage damage in joints. Aim to eat at least 1 serving of cruciferous vegetables per day. So, there you have it. 10 powerful foods that can help you fight knee pain and improve your joint health naturally. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is not a quick fix, but rather a long-term strategy for managing pain and improving your overall well-being. As always, it's essential to talk to your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.